Good morning, chickens. Good morning, chickens, yeah. See, there's some more dandelions over here. See if they've regrown after not harvesting for a week. Dandelions. Yeah. I'm used to just picking off the tips because they're the tenderest. I don't have such a thick, fibrous midrib, but I guess I can use all of it since this is going a smoothie. Chop it all up anyway. All right, I got a bunch of dandelions coming up there. Looks like I can eat off those for a couple days. Yeah. Put some mallow in there too. Mm-hmm. Use some plantain too. Plantain is super astringent. It's not much more than a survival food. But if you got a blender and you can make a smoothie ingredient out of it, that's a lot more realistic. Get some sow thistle flowers in here. And sow thistle is technically edible, but it's super spiny. The texture is not appealing, and the taste is not appealing either. Oh, the amaranth leaves look very good. They got all holes in them. This top right here looks like alive, and I need to add something. No holes, the greenest. All these others are starting to weather, dry out. Go a seed. All right, put it in my net bag. Strained out the vinegar and bitters. See if I can get it in here. I don't think I'm going to be able to get in there because it doesn't have a lip. I'm going to pour it into another pot. There we go. Now I got DIY digestive bitters. Apple cider vinegar and bitter dandelion leaves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That gives you the medicinal shivers. I'll definitely jumpstart your gallbladder, releasing bile, which is what bitters do. I'm going to use the rest of this in the base of my smoothie. Tomatoes and peanut butter go so well together. I don't know why. Put some turmeric in there. Couple peppercorns. Looks gross. It always looks gross. Wow. Woo. That vinegar and the bitters in there. Just coming through enough. Yeah, I can sense them, but they're not like ruining it. It still tastes like subtly like a tomato peanut butter smoothie. The apple cider vinegar is kind of mixing in with the sourness of the tomatoes. I didn't put in the rest of these weeds. There we go. I got some plantain and mallow in there. Let's see how that changes it. Those weeds actually mellowed it out a lot more. It's not quite as sour. Interesting. I love this little personal blender. It's so small, compact. This is the real breakfast of champions. Wild smoothies. Good girl. There we go. Good job. Donkey donkey doo. Yeah, yeah. Donkey doo. Donkey doo. Donkey doo. Ready? You ready? Thank you. Good eatings today. And he's got to turn around. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Come on. Ready? You gotta turn this way. Turn around. This thing can turn around on a dime, but the animals have a hard time turning or walking sideways in order to get it that sharp of an angle. Good donkey doo. This way. Good doggy. Yeah. I got it. The whole thing has a fridge right now, and the dividing wall is on the bottom. So if I want to make this into 1/3 of a freezer, take this stuff out, put up the wall, and start putting stuff in the freezer. Got the bug-proof curtains finally, after 3.5 years of living out of this thing and trying a couple times to make bug curtains that were too big of a project. I was trying to go around and make the entire thing porched area, bug screened in, and figure out a way to roll it up with like a dowel rod and fasten it up there while it's not in use, and while I can close it up and we can roll with it. It worked, but it was just a little too much. It was unnecessary. It got in the way more than I was using it, and this is going to be a lot better, and I'll be able to just push them to the end or out of the way. Got my strained kefir. Boop. In you go. Back in you go. God. Alright, kefir cream cheese. What is this? Alright. Cut out some more of the inside of Sergey's pumpkin. Sergey, the filmer guy, gave me some vegetables, and that's stretched the longest, the pumpkin for sure. Made like 4 smoothies out of the center already, seeds and all. One of my neighbor's cucumbers. That last one there looks like it's on its last leg. And I didn't put any apples in it. Just turmeric, some peppers, hot peppers too, that friend traded me, and turmeric, salt, and peppercorns. Oh, and kefir. Yeah, like 1/3 of this is kefir. It tastes like I don't know, it tastes like a Middle Eastern dish or something. Ooh, the sheep. Good donkey. No eating. You got the fresh eggs right here.
Okay, thank you.
And those are my friend Joe's down the road.
How big is your container of kefir?
Kefir is 3 cups. Where's
Like
my
I said,
sample spoons? Oh, I left my
your
sample
Ram
spoons.
is so sweet.
Yeah, he's super sweet. But I usually have little sample wooden spoons for you to try the kefir cream cheese because that's to die for. That's like probiotic, really, like 10 times more probiotic than kefir.
Oh, well then let me try it.
I guarantee you'll like it.
I mean, no, I'll buy it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What? So let me find you.
It's Aaron Fletcher. It's under Homeless Shepherds, I think is what it's called. Homeless Shepherds.
Oh,
Whatever you feel.
how about 15 for both?
I'd be grateful for that. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Let's do that. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy. And check out the website if you want 123 Home Free.
Okay.
It's on the side of the wagon. I don't know if you saw it.
Okay, cool. I will.
Have a good one. All right. Wait. Yeah. The sheep. What is this? These. Whatever these things are. I love them. Oh, they're not real? Oh, they're real. There's some kind of like dried pod. Never mind. That's silly. What is this? A huge chain link and not very sensitive thing. Hula hoop. So this is like a breakdown hula hoop? Oh, that's cool. Is this a breakdown hula hoop? It's got good weight to it. It looked like it would be too light. I think it's a breakdown hula hoop. I don't want it. That's cool. Oh, it is. It's a breakdown hula hoop. Okay, I got my form of exercise now. I got my thing to do. I've been looking for some kind of activity that I can do, get me back in shape since I haven't been running with this darn donkey who's slow as can be. Alright, stop right here. Yeah, wait. Alright. Good donkey do. 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 Wow, it's a super breakdownable one. This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you, Free Pal. It's really solid. Perfect thing for me. Wow, I love Free Pals. So cool. This whole thing is gonna fit in my front basket. That's crazy. I didn't even know they made such nice breakdownable hooves. That's crazy. Wow, look at that. Just put a hula hoop in there. Alright, ready? Alright. Yeah. Oops. Thank you. Well, I'll eat them then. Right, good donkey too. Looks like she's chewing through this side. I wish I had like little strips of metal that I could cut a square hole out of the center with. Her mask should be coming soon, so how long that can last her. Silly girl. Good girl, donkey doo, yeah. You're such a good girl, donkey doo. Such a good girl, donkey doo. Such a good girl, my donkey doo. It's so cool how she doesn't fight. She hasn't fought to put on her grazing muzzle once. I don't understand it. It's like sheep, if they knew they were getting that put on, they'd be fighting. Donkeys and equins are different. They like submit. It's weird. It's weird. Did you have a good meal? Did you have a good long day of eating? How's the fat of your neck? Still fat? Soft though. Way softer than when I first got you, and it's a lot looser back here. I think you're losing some neck fat, sister. Looking good, looking slim. There you go, close to the greenhouse. Kefir apple. banana, broccoli sprouts. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's just from this morning, so.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Trading milk for his peaches. I love farm standing. Love this freaking hula hoop. Right to the hula hoop. It's hard, it's a little light. That's a good workout. I want to learn how to do leg stuff. You gotta be on a shorter grass though. Work out my leg like oh my god, it's gonna be so awesome to get my leg in shape like that. I can't even do that. Maybe I should just practice this. Oh yeah, arm workout. How do they grip it and twist it around? I don't want to do it on my wrist. That hurts. I guess do my hand. No, I don't like that. There they go. I think they go around the meat of their hand. That's tricky. That doesn't hurt. Yeah, that hurts if you try to just do your wrist. It doesn't hurt, it's just annoying. I know I wouldn't be able to keep doing it. That I can keep doing. I can see this. Arm workout. Killing my flab. Arm flab. Woo! I got it twice in my leg, watch this. Whoa! Don't go down there. Mugwort! Mugwort! Really? Yeah, like 5 or 6 times. Hooping is a good exercise. Let's see.